Hello everyone, this is Matthew from I Love Free Software TV. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see saved chat on Snapchat. Snapchat has introduced a new feature called Friendship Profile, which lets you see all the previous photos and videos that you and your friend have saved in chat. Let's see how you can do that. First, head to the Play Store and update the Snapchat app to the latest version. Once done, open it. Now tap on a friend's Bitmoji to view the friendship profile. Here you'll see a section called Saved in Chat. It will show all the previous photos, videos that you and your friend have saved in chat. Tapping on the View All Saved button will open the further saved snap. That's it guys, this is how you can see saved snap on Snapchat. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe us for more.